Welcome to TEAC's Distinction Series. With a front panel machined from a single piece of aluminium and with a centrally located volume dial and flush fitted input buttons along with a headphone socket directly on the front, the AI-1000 sets itself apart from the crowd. With 6 gold-plated analog inputs, 1 pre-out and 1 bypass, all of your analog connections are catered for. We have also included gold-plated heavy-duty binding posts that will accept banana plugs or bare wire, so you can install high-quality speaker cable. Internally, you will find a large toroidal transformer chosen for superior sound quality and a dual mono design layout for the amplification stage. This means components are mirrored for both the left and the right channel, making sure the signal paths are exactly the same. Finishing off the AI-1000 is a stylishly slim remote control, so you can have all your full control of the amplifier at your fingertips from your armchair. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.